Hello, Kimara Hashiv, and you, it's Mr. Joseph, and Pàislig. Oh, hi, fluch. Oh, it's wet. Hi, fluch, and Pàislig, and you. And you hashin adol a chuntach nan kriven Nollaig. The word for Christmas tree, Craobhan. Say it fast, Craobhan. We're counting Christmas trees today. Hashinadol chuntach nan Craobhan Nollaig. Craobhan. So let's go to number one. Now, just so you know, when we're counting numbers, we say on aga, a three, a kahar, like in music, a one, a two, a three, a four, da Maria. But actually, when we're counting things, we don't. We just say the numbers. On, da, tri, keher, coig, shia. Okay, so something to remember. So I'm not going to do the whole on, aga, a tri. It's actually going to be on, da, tri, because there's no lenition. But there is lenition of the word tree. So, here's our first tree. On, chriv, Nollaig. It's actually chriv, Nollaig. Okay, our first Christmas tree, one Christmas tree. Now, bizarrely, okay, just so you know, in Celtic languages, number two is also singular, so it'll be the same, da, chriv, Nollaig, but we're not going to count those because we want to see a real Christmas tree. But the lenition happens with the word tree here after on and da. Okay. So let's go and see what other trees we can find. Let's have a look. Now across the road here, there's a shop. And boo, Holland and Barrett. It's a health food shop. Blasta. Really delicious. Gley Vlasta. You remember with the lenition, if I say gley, so beautiful. Right, and I'm just going to walk around here to see if we can see any more trees, so we can carry on counting them. There's no trees here, but I'm going to show you the Paisley Christmas lights. They're not switched on, so you don't have to get so excited. I'm just walking past the ice rink they've erected. It's a tiny little thing. It's hardly worth mentioning. Right, you see the lights. There's Coates Baptist Church ahead of us in Paisley. It's not used anymore. Oh, there we are, the lights. You can see them. Yeah, with a little paisley pattern there. Alain, we learned that word the other day. It means beautiful. Okay, and this is a pound stretcher where every penny counts. No Christmas trees there. Chaniel. No Christmas trees. Right, so we're going to turn around and we're going to go back to have a little look for Christmas trees. So there we are. This is the ice rink. And we're just going to walk past here. And we're going to go down Moss Street now. Coffee and cake. Coffee agus cake. Not so different in Gaelic, really. Blasta. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Right, and these are the prices to get into the ice rink. £9 per person. Not so blasta, not so delicious, no. Okay, we're on Moss Street, so let's just keep walking because we want to see if we can see our third Christmas tree. Now, this is a bit strange because with number three, we do actually use the plural. Tri Craobhan. Say it fast, it becomes Craobhan. It's a war memorial. Beautiful. But, the lenition vanishes, so it's no longer chriv, or chriv. it's suddenly Craobhan. Craobhan. If we say it fast enough, the O is kind of silenced out. Craobhan. So let's see if we can find a third tree. It's strange because in Gaelic number 3 is tree as well. So let's see. Now I remember there's a shop here and boo, just across the road. So let's have a little look. Yeah, there's a man standing outside. Hashanador, we're going across the road. There we are. There we are. Aha! Tree. Craobhan Nollaig. Aha. Tree. The man is clearly feeling uncomfortable with the camera pointing at him. Okay, and I'm just going to nip back across the road here for number 4. Number 4 in Gaelic is Céhar. Aha, Céhar. Céhar. Craobhan Nollaig. Okay, I'll just quickly run around here to see if we can get number 5. There's another shop. And boo, around the corner here with a Christmas tree. I saw it a minute ago doing my little rehearsal thing. So let's have a look if we can see that. It's here somewhere. Yeah. Oh, great. Okay, so we're now with Coig, I think. Are we? Is this Coig? I've lost count. I think this is number 5. Coig, Craobhan Nollaig. Oh, beautiful. I love those Christmas decorations. Aren't they nice? Yeah. Beautiful in Gaelic. Alain. Very nice. They are nice, aren't they? I love those garlands of flowers. Right. Oh, Christmas tree. Okay, so I think this would be Shia. I could be wrong. It might be Coig because I've lost count somewhere. Let's just call it Shia. Okay. So Shia, Craobhan Nollaig. Oh, beautiful. Shia. These are things for the kids. Gilmore Street Station. You can see the bridge over there. Seachd Gilmore and on Pàislig. Very nice. Very nice. And I think there's one more that we are trying to see as well. And I'm sure there's one inside that pub there behind the Christmas tree, but we won't be going in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, down here at the shopping centre. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so again, I've lost count. I don't know if this is 6 Craobhan Nollaig, or is it Seachd 7 Craobhan Nollaig in the shopping centre there. And this is some arcade for kids called Riptide as well as some kind of amusement. There we are. Well, Craobh Vok, no? It looks a little bit poor there. But, well, it's okay. It's got the lights and everything, but no decorations. It's looking a little bit poor there. The word for poor is bog. Remember, when you add the lenition, it can become vogt. So just keep that in mind. It is okay, but not the best. Not the best. And that is our last Christmas tree that I think we're going to look at. So as I was telling you, own Chrúv or Chrúiv Nollaig, da Chrúv, said quickly, Chrúv Nollaig. By the time you get to number 3, tree, it becomes plural, but there's no lenition. Tree, Craobhan Nollaig. Okay, I'm just walking around here. Let's see. Oh, there we are. Yeah, this is an amusement arcade for kids. One of these rides called Riptides, with these seats that go left, right, up, down. Oh, I don't like those. No. Do you remember that TV show in the 80s called Riptide? A bunch of detectives on a boat. I think it's all on YouTube, as far as I know. And there we are. So that is our Christmas decorations. Or those are our Christmas decorations. And Pàislig. Just to quickly remind you again, we don't count them with aga, a tree, a ke, a coig. We actually say the numbers if you're counting something. Yeah, and the Gaelic word for car is just car. I'm sure you probably have guessed that. Fluch, wet, fluch, wet. You can see in the shopping centre there are actually lights just up above. Yeah, there we are. They're quite nice, aren't they? But it's a little bit depressing and drab looking, isn't it? Bog, Glivog. Very poor, I would say. Very sad and depressing. But anyway, so we've managed to count, I think, up to 7 trees there. So, own chriv, Nollaig, da, chriv, Nollaig, 3. Craven, Nollaig, Ceher, Craven, Nollaig, Coig, Shia, agus, Seachd. So, Gleva. And there we are. So, that's just about it from me. Oh, there's a lovely little thing selling fish and chips. Yeah, it's closed, unfortunately. Anything that says food, I'm there. Really. Would be delicious, wouldn't it? We did food a few days ago, didn't we? When we were talking about Christmas food. More rides for the kids. And that's it.